Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Qatar. Did you know Qatar is one of the wealthiest countries in the world, even richer than Saudi Arabia and Dubai? With a population of 3 million, only 10% are native Qataris. The rest are immigrants.